Hey, what's going on? Getting a fresh new grip tape on the board on the Sex Panther. This is the original one, and I kept this thing as a mold, right? And so this way, every time I gotta put a new one, I use this one as the mold. I just finished cutting this one off, and this is gonna be my next one, man. I love these colors. I decided to go from the black into some colors, some nice colors, and see how it feels. And that's that. Let's do this. So now I'm going to remove the old grip tape from the board, and for that I'm going to use the help of a hair dryer. You need to heat up the glue under the grip tape to make it, make things easier for you to pull this thing out. Let's do this. All done, and you don't get that residue from the glue, just a little bit, but not as much as if you were not using a hair dryer. It comes up pretty clean, guys. That's it. Just finishing up a quick cleanup, and see how it fits. Check this out, man. Beautiful. Yes, sir. That's it.